Hi, I'm Laura Scott with Cal OES. With the arrival of winter weather, Cal OES would like to remind drivers to prepare to travel safely in changing conditions.
Make sure to winterize your vehicle by checking your brakes, tires, windshield wipers, and antifreeze. If you have a front or rear-wheel drive vehicle, make sure you always have the correct chains and are familiar with how to install them. Be prepared for the worst conditions by keeping an emergency kit in your vehicle that contains the following: a flashlight with extra batteries, blankets, towels, extra clothing, water and snacks, gloves to protect your hands when installing tire chains, an ice scraper to keep your windows clear of snow and ice, a spare key in case you get locked out of your car, and lastly, sand or kitty litter to aid with traction should you get stuck. When driving, be sure to allow extra time to arrive at your destination. Keep your fuel tank full in case you must take a detour, slow down, increase your following distance, and always be observant. By utilizing these tips, you can keep yourself and others safe on the road during inclement weather. To see more from us, go to news.caloes.ca.gov and follow us on all of our social media platforms.